Look what I got on my shoulder. All right, folks, Jamal once again. Look what I got. House under 300,000. Let's go take a look. This is one of the few, like the newer homes, they have smaller bedrooms, right? So here's bedroom number 2. There you'll see that there is a rather large closet. Once we get a door there, you're gonna have a lot of closet space. Let's go take a look at the other side of the split foyer, which is the downstairs, right? Believe it or not, this house has 5 bedrooms, 5. Okay, so we're coming down the stairs. On the landing, right here, we've got another cloak closet right there. And then we got bedroom number 1 on the lower floors, right? Again, a larger bedroom, right? Can easily fit a queen size bed with a dresser, a nightstand. Again, we've got a nice closet space right there, flowing throughout. We come out of bedroom number 1 on the lower, we go into bedroom number 2 on the lower. A lot of room here, plenty of sunlight, shades are down. That's because this house is vacant. Let's see if we open it up. What does it do for us? Wow, yes. Definitely a lot of sunlight down here. This is a large room. Hopefully you can tell from the video, but you can easily get a king size bed up against that wall right there and still have enough room for a chest of drawers and a dresser. Again, this house has a lot of square footage, Now, we're gonna get to this part of the house where there's not a lot of light, unfortunately. But if you can see in here, this is your utility room, and this is where your HVAC is, as well as the door to the garage. Okay, so that being said, this is the property, folks. Under $300,000, close to the airport. You're minutes away from the airport. This is in College Park, right? So again, this is a great house for the money, and the square footage that you're gonna get is phenomenal. All right, so listen, under 300,000 is a very aggressive price point. That means we gotta move fast, we gotta move quick, and we gotta know what we're doing. That's why you should trust me and my team to put together an offer for you, a fabulous and competitive offer, so that you're not paying too much for this house, but you're not getting blown out of the water if it's a multiple offer situation, right? So we're serious, I'm all in, right? If this is the house for you, we're gonna get it. So I'm looking forward to working with you guys. I'm happy that you chose me as your guide through this process, and I'm gonna do my very best to make sure that we make your home dreams come true.